Hey, what's up, fam? I'm Dr. Jerica. I'm the Chief Medical Officer and co-founder of Plume Health. My pronouns are she, her, and I wanted to share a couple tips today about navigating those early days of the transition process. But before I dive into that, I just want to say that no matter where you are on your gender journey, whether you're out, whether you're not out, you're valid. And we see you and we're here for you. And that even in this political climate that we're in right now, we're not going anywhere. So one of the most important things we can do as trans, non-binary, and gender non-conforming people is surround ourselves with other people who see us for who we are and affirm our identities. And the research supports this. We have studies that show that even the support of one other individual can meaningfully improve our mental health outcomes. So if you have access to this in your local community, that's fantastic. Definitely take advantage of it, but not everybody does. And sometimes we need to look for the connection in online spaces and virtual spaces. And at Plume, we've been building just that. So as a Plume member, you can join our growing online community hub where you can chat with other members just like yourself. You can connect to cool resources like our virtual peer support groups, our webinars, and do things like share your artwork. It's a space that is supposed to facilitate connection, support, education, and most importantly, trans joy. And we'd love to see you in there. All right, y'all, so let's talk about coming out. Now, of course, this is something that's very individualized. It's going to be different for everybody, but inevitably, it's something that we're going to have to do as trans people many times in our life, sometimes whether we want to or not. So I'll try to share a couple things that will provide some framing and hopefully make it a little bit easier as you walk through it. Now, the first thing to remember is that everybody's going to have a different reaction. Now, some of these reactions might not be great. Perhaps we were anticipating that. But some of the reactions will be better than we thought. And we also have to keep in mind our environment and our personal safety as we're moving through that. The other thing I'll say is that, y'all, we gotta be gentle with ourselves. It is completely normal and valid as we learn more about ourselves after oftentimes many years of suppression for our identities to evolve as we go along. And there's nothing wrong with that. And if we think about just us as humans, it is completely normal to grow and evolve as we go, or at least we should be, right? So be gentle with yourself, give yourself some grace, and just don't put too much pressure on yourself. So at Plume, we love to talk about gender euphoria and trans joy, but I'll say when we're navigating these hostile moments, that can be pretty hard. But something that's important to remember is gender euphoria and trans joy is not just those big milestones, right? It is those little things that happen every day, which are so important. One of those things early on in my transition process was I went to the mall with one of my best friends and she helped me shop for some affirming clothing. And I went to Sephora and I had makeup put on for the first time. And I had this amazing technician, Angel, I'll never forget you, thank you, who took an experience that was yes, exciting, but a little intimidating and made it so easy and playful and joyful, and I'll never forget that. And something that happened relatively recently was I joined a women's hockey team. And athletics has always been really important in my life, but it's also been really hard, especially seeing all the stigmatization, the anti-trans laws, and the hate speech surrounding trans people in sports and athletics, especially trans women and trans girls. And so to do that, I was really nervous, but I did it and here we are. And it turns out the community's been great. And it's just been so wonderful to show up and just be another player on the team, to chat, to joke around, to play and have fun. And turns out it's been super chill. So those are a couple of things about myself. We would love to hear from you about your moments of gender euphoria and what that looks like for you and your unique experience. So please share those in the comments below. If you want to start or continue your transition process with Plume, you can click on the link in the bio and go to our website at getplume.co and get started. And we hope to see you there.